Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are on the floor, and that can only mean a big box unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a DC Collectibles direct from the source item. Okay, and you can see this girl playing the guitar. If you don't know who she is the DC Bombshells variant of the Huntress. Okay, so as you know, I do collect DC, but only the DC Bombshells line. Okay, so you have here Zatanna, DC Bombshells. She is my favorite. Okay, so I try to collect all the DC Bombshells, and we are going to look at the Huntress. Okay, so you can see that on the front we have the image of the figure. Okay, so she is a singer in this particular universe. I think she is a teenager slash activist against the Nazi Germany era in that comic storyline. Okay, so on the side you can see the same the character in full, but now in uh, cartoon style. Okay, so you can see it drawn. Okay, so based on the artwork of Tim Miller. Okay, sculpted by Tim Miller rather, and based on the artwork of Emanuela Lupacchino. Okay, and it measures approximately 10.6 inches or 26.9 centimeters. Okay. On the other side, you can see this is a side view of the illustration, and this is a limited edition numbered uh, figure. Okay, I think if we go to the back, you can see AP05 of 5,000. Okay, I don't know what AP05 means, but this is series 2020, if I'm not mistaken. So been so long. And at the back, you can see a brief description of the DC Bombshells Huntress. Okay, this is what she looks like with the nameplate. So taken straight from the cover of Detective Comics number 43 during the Bombshells variant cover month in 2015, this Huntress Bombshell statue brings Emanuela Lupacchino's design to life. Strongly inspired by the rockabilly fashion and aesthetic, this Huntress statue will make you want to join in on the music and fun. Okay, so I love the bombshells because they are a pin-up version of our favorite superheroes and villains, and that would only mean sexy, sexy girls. Okay, so on the top we have the logo of the bombshell, the Huntress. Okay, and this was from Aunt Lucia as well. Okay, so I don't know who Emanuela Lupacchino is. Okay, but I remember the bombshells are from also Aunt Lucia. Okay, so we have here Death and Mary Shazam. We also have this too. So, and more information can be found on this website, dccollectibles.com and comicshoplocator.com. Okay, but before we look at the Huntress, because this is a Pinoy Heroclix channel, we're going to look at Huntress in Heroclix form. And this is from the Gotham OP kit, if I'm not mistaken. You can see the Huntress here, very gritty and dark, wearing a hood. Okay, so that's why I'm not a huge fan of dark DC universe. Okay, I want bubbly pin-up universe. You can see her with her patented crossbow. Okay, so for this one, the crossbow is hidden in the guitar, electric guitar. Okay, so but the quality of this figure is really nice. Let's take a look at her card. So she is DC 24-005, the Huntress, Batman Family, Birds of Prey, Gotham City, Assassin Detective keywords, has the target trait. So this has been common in the DC sets. At the beginning of the game, for all characters with this trait, give a target token to an opposing character. For all characters with this trait, when a friendly character with the assassin keyword KOs an opposing character with the target token, score 25 victory points. Okay, 50 points, Batman team ability. You can see her dial here, sidestep, precision strike, combat reflexes, and later on becomes a running shot, penetrating psychic blast with senses, and rage combat expert. Okay, but she does have that special damage power. Okay, oh, by the way, a second trait. Blood cries for blood. When Huntress is KO'd by an opposing attack, after resolutions, deal an opposing character with a target token damage equal to the damage she took from that attack. Wow, that's a bit interesting. Okay, so she is vengeance. Okay, and the special damage is shut your mouth or I'll nail it close. When Huntress attacks, when choose an opposing character within range and line of fire, until your next turn, the chosen character can't use Outwit, Perplex, or Probability Control. Okay. When Huntress attacks, choose an opposing character within range and line of fire. So, not necessarily the target of her attack. Okay, interesting. I think for 50 points, she might be worth it. Okay, so she is unique because of the silver ring, and most of the time, the being a unique character means she is good. Okay, because allowing multiples of her would just break the game. Okay, so that's why they made her unique. Okay, so check out Huntress, emo Huntress. But for now, let's go back to bubbly Huntress. Okay, so this has been with me for the longest time, but I did not have space to display her. So I finally was able to clean up my display cab, and now I have a space. So warning, this is fragile. Remove product carefully. The packaging materials are intended to protect the product. If opened abruptly, damage to the product may result. Please open the packaging materials with care. Okay, so, but I don't know what AP means. It might have been I don't know. So if you know, please mention it in the comments. Okay. So it might be mean a promo or something. This is bottom, so we'll switch it. Okay, so we are on top. Now we bring out our handy Swiss knife. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. So we have the DC Collectibles AP05 manufactured in China. This is the platform. Okay, there is usually a peg for her to stand on. So we'll assemble that a little later. These ones stay on the side. So it's fairly light because this is made from, I think, I don't know what material this is. I don't think it's PVC. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's do it slowly. Okay, because we also would want to keep the styrofoam and the what you call this, the box intact, just in case we have to move or store the statue, and we still have those. Okay, excited to open it. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, so it's really mint. Okay, where is the nameplate? There. There's the nameplate. Nameplate for the Huntress. So this goes there. Okay, let's put this on the side. And then the main event, the masterpiece. Okay. Ooh. See? Very sexy. So we have the Huntress here playing her guitar. Okay, there's the bow hidden, as I said. There's a bow here. Okay, rocking out. Take a look at that ass. Okay, and the flow of the hair is really nice. Let's put her on the stand. So just don't force these figures, and it should be good to go. Okay, let's have a close look at the figure. Okay, I'll take out the phone. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, I'm not rotating it here. Okay, 90-degree turn. Ooh. And finally, last 90-degree. Eee. Pretty, pretty girl, pretty, pretty statue. I love it. 10 out of 10 for me. But what are your thoughts, guys? Share it in the comments. And until the next DC Bombshells. Bye bye.